going to look at 4.5, part E. This relates to number 2 up here. Let's take a look at that first. Number 2 says log base a of f of x, if that's equal to log base a of g of x, then f of x must be equal to g of x. Okay, so that's what this one relates to. So let's go ahead and go to part E now. Okay, here we go. The first thing I would like to do before I start this problem and apply that is I have to get the logs on the left-hand side combined together. So using the quotient rule, I can combine these together. I put log base 2 of x plus 20, that's my numerator, over log base 2 of x plus 2, that's my denominator. Now if we look and use the rule above here, if this is true, then x plus 20 over x plus 2 must be equal to x, so I wrote that right here. Now I'm going to clear up my denominator, so I multiply both sides by x plus 2. And that cleared up my denominator here, and then I had an x plus 2 on this side. Okay, now I have an equation I'm going to go ahead and solve. First thing I do is I apply the distributive property, multiply both x by both of these terms, so I get x squared plus 2x. Finally, everything to the right-hand side, so I get x squared plus 2x minus 20. If I go ahead and factor that, I get x plus 5 and x minus 4. They're both equal to 0. If I multiply them together, they're equal to 0. So my two answers would be x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to 4. Okay, now let's go back and look and see which one we can actually use here. By the definition of logarithms, x plus 20 must be positive. So I wrote over here x plus 20 must be positive, which means x must be greater than negative 20. This should not be there. X plus 2 must also be positive, so I wrote that right there, so x must be greater than 2. And then finally, x must be positive. If I combine these all together, if I want them all to be true, I would basically use this one. Oh, I'm sorry. I would use this one. One would satisfy all of them. If x is greater than 2, then it will satisfy all three of them. So if we go down here, our two solutions are negative 5 and 4. We could tell that negative 5 will not work because it will not satisfy actually any of these. So the answer would have to be 4 for my solution. Okay, so that concludes part E.